This time, I would like to share with you 8 urban legends about the sun. The urban legend of the sun. It was born out of awe and creativity for the huge, mysterious being we see every day, the sun. The sun is the source of life on Earth. Originating from antiquity to the present era, it has held a special place in various cultures and faiths. For this reason, many myths and legends about the sun have been passed down. Some of them live on as modern urban legends. Here, urban legends and conspiracy theories about the sun. We will fully elucidate the associated topics in detail. Theory that there is an alien base inside the sun. Among the most peculiar urban myths concerning the sun, there is an alien base inside the sun. This theory is that the technology of extraterrestrial life is so advanced. They make a huge base in the center of the sun, based on the claim that it monitors Earth and other planets from there. The surface temperature of the sun is about 5,500. Since the temperature of the center reaches 15 million, incomprehensible under the conventional principles of physics, advocates of this urban myth, whether aliens can adapt to such extreme environments, or perhaps we possess advanced technology capable of enduring such heat. The reason behind the spread of this theory is that solar observation satellites and NASA's sun. In research, there have been numerous reports of mysterious entities observed near the sun's surface. When these sightings and footage circulate online, this was linked to the existence of aliens and technology, and the theory of a base inside the sun became believable. Theory that the sun will explode in a few decades. Prophecies and fears that the sun will explode in the future. It's one of the most talked about urban legends. The sun is said to have passed about half of its lifespan of about 4.6 billion years, but some people, in the near future, the sun makes a super divine explosion. I believe it will destroy Earth and other planets in the solar system. This urban legend, before the sun ultimately becomes white. Contrary to the scientific fact that it takes billions of years, it claims that some sudden astronomical phenomenon will occur. On the internet, false information is spreading that the day when the sun will explode and the Earth will end is near. This is a factor that gives some people a sense of fear. In reality, the sun will be red castrated about 5 billion years from now. It is improbable that it will explode soon, as it will then transform into white medium. However, projections regarding the sun's lifespan and its end, a theme that stimulates the imagination. This is a factor in creating urban legends that stir fear and anxiety. Blackout. Sunday prophecy. Blackout. What is Sunday? The sun suddenly lost its light. It's a popular urban legend that claims the Earth will plunge into complete darkness. This has been linked to several doomsday prophecies and conspiracy theories. It is said that the day will come when the sun's energy will suddenly be lost. According to this theory, the sun's activity causes unusual events, the stopping of electromagnetic wave and energy emissions. There is no electricity or communication on Earth. It pertains to colossal disruptions worldwide. Blackout. Sundays are often foretold by certain dates. It has been foretold several times before that day will come. There is nothing significant occurring. However, this concept, it continues to be believed among those concerned about the effects of solar flares and coronal mass ejections. When solar activity heightens, affect the Earth's electromagnetic field, it is true that it can cause failures in satellites and communication systems. However, the notion that it would result in a global blackout shrouding the Earth in darkness, there is no scientific basis. 4. The theory that sunlight is actually artificial. This urban legend. The sunlight we observe is entirely manufactured. There's absolutely no genuine sun. This is one of the outlandish claims that has spread among conspiracy theorists. Supporting Earth, covert groups, and international bodies orchestrate. It is thought they are displaying a counterfeit sun. As a basis for this theory, abnormal behavior of the sun, such as the occurrence of extreme flares and sunspots, bizarre occurrences witnessed by various individuals. They, as the reason why the anomalies of the sun are hidden from us, believes the sun itself is an artificial construct. However, there is no scientific support for this theory, mostly based on misunderstanding and misinformation.
5.
Natural alien theory that eats the sun. Another interesting urban legend is that a being called a natural Wellian. They are consuming the sun. These extraterrestrials, unlike extraterrestrial intelligent life, emerging directly from nature itself, the theory is that they survive by absorbing energy from the sun. Because it exists in a dimension beyond our perception, it is said to be invisible in the usual way. This urban legend spread because sightings of huge objects appearing around the sun, and it comes from NASA satellite images showing strange shapes. People who believe this. It is claimed that the sun is gradually being drained of energy by these aliens, but scientists dismiss these phenomena as mere technical gills, or natural solar activity. Double solar snow in the solar system. The double sun snow. There are indeed two suns within our solar system. It's an urban legend that the other sun is out of sight for some reason. According to this theory, apart from the sun we see, there exists an additional sun. It is said that it occasionally appears. The Nemesis theory is that an unknown celestial body on the outer edge of the solar system, derived from the scientific hypothesis that it is affecting objects in the solar system. But in this urban legend, Nemesis essentially acts as a second sun. Is said to periodically cause disasters in the solar system. In particular, it is repeatedly predicted that the approach of Nemesis will bring a peak position to the Earth. The basis for this has not been scientifically confirmed. Hologram theory of the sun. Among the conspiracy theories about the sun we see is actually a hologram. There is also a hologram theory that the real sun is hidden elsewhere. This urban legend, using modern advanced technology, secret organizations project additional false suns. It's an argument that they're showing us. According to this, the true sun is concealed for unknown reasons. The sun observed from Earth is a massive hologram created artificially. Behind this theory is unusual phenomena seen around the sun are connected. Strange lights and reflections seen near the sun, for example. The rest is people who witnessed objects moving strangely. This anomaly is considered a sign of the hologram's malfunction. Furthermore, individuals disputing the scientific explanation of the sun began to doubt the very existence of the sun, and this urban legend was born. However, scientists have been consistently negative about this theory. Based on solar observation data and physical laws, the assertion that the sun is a hologram lacks any foundation. That the sun is the immense structure that sustains our life. It is supported by numerous scientific observations and studies. 8. The theory that the abnormal activity of the sun affects mankind. The sun has regular cycles of activity. It repeats peaks and quiet periods of solar activity in an 11-year cycle. Along with this, solar flares and coronal mass ejection scenes occur. It can affect the Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere. However, this natural phenomenon has been interpreted broadly. There is also an urban legend that the abnormal activity of the sun has a direct impact on the mind and body of mankind. Some adherents, solar flares, when it occurs, people on the planet experience a sudden change of emotion, or he claims that he sometimes feels physical discomfort. They believe that the powerful energy radiated from the sun affects the human brain and body, and sometimes even collective actions and events, especially during periods of peak solar activity. Social upheaval and riots. The spread of increasing genius. In contrast to this, scientists believe that solar energy is Earth's technology. Although it may affect communication systems, artificial satellites, etc., there is no evidence that it has a direct impact on human psychology or behavior. Solar flares, or electromagnetic waves caused by CME, almost cut off by the atmosphere. There is almost no physical impact on us living on the surface. Summary: urban legends about the sun. Its immensity and power. Given its tremendous impact on our daily lives, it has continued to interest people in various forms. Many of these urban legends are fear of the mysterious being of the sun, the pond, and born out of curiosity about the unknown world. From the theory that the sun is an alien base to the claim that it is disguised with holograms, all bizarre and real. Many are far away. Behind it has been mankind since ancient times. It can also be said that the mythical belief in the sun has an influence. With the ongoing progress in science, our knowledge of the sun's functions and activities continues to expand. Still, there is no mystery or threat about the sun. These urban legends, while it incites our imagination, inspiring scientific exploration, it has also inspired more people to become interested in the mysteries of the universe. In reality, the sun is life, source, and remains essential to the planet. Its mysterious side. More stories to come. There is no doubt that it will create legends. How did you like it? Thank you for subscribing to the channel.